How to remove Shadowban on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how and what is Shadowban and how you can remove it. Now if you have noticed a lack of engagement on TikTok recently, you could be experiencing the infamous TikTok Shadowban. But what actually causes it? Well, a Shadowban on TikTok is when your account has unknowingly become blocked or partially blocked on the app. As a result, your content won't show up on the FYP or For You page, and you'll likely experience a significant drop in likes, views, and comments. Now, shadow banning is an automatic process done by TikTok's algorithm to protect users from copyright issues, spams, threats, and inappropriate content. Now, it might be if you have violated any community guidelines or posted any adult content on TikTok app. Now, wanna know how long does a shadow ban last? Well, according to creators who have been shadow banned, a TikTok shadow ban typically lasts around 2 weeks. However, some users like TikTok creator Mary have claimed shadow bans last much longer. Now, how to get rid of shadow ban? Well, there is no secret formula on how to reverse a shadow ban. You'll most likely have to ride this time period out and take a break from producing content on the platform. However, what you can do is if you have any flagged content on your app, you might want to delete it. What you can do is open up the app and head into your content and then delete any flagged content, and then follow TikTok's community guidelines and avoid spam-like behavior like liking too much of videos at once or posting too much videos at once and following too much users at once. Now this might detect to spam-like behavior and you might get shadow banned. So what you want to do is avoid doing these things and then wait out until the shadow ban gets removed, because it will get removed eventually. This is the only way out. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.